So this presses against this console and it will deflate whenever the knob gets turned. So the designer should have allowed room to cut out a little U around the console here, and that makes this product just so disgusting, because it's an awesome product and it's perfect for the Jeep, but this is the worst part right here. The other issue is when it's fully inflated, you want to make sure and inflate it with the back door closed, because it bulges out 2 to 3 inches past the door threshold here, and yeah, that sucks because you don't want to, you know, pop your air mattress. So you got to shut the back door and inflate it all the way so it doesn't pinch. In the corners right here, you see how the mattress, this is where the door closes and it bulges out past this point, and yeah, that's not good either. So they should have done 2 inches less on the overall perimeter of the air mattress, and definitely a lot of room up here around the console with a U cut out in the head of the mattress here. So that's a terrible design, and especially since they're advertising Jeep photos for the product. I know it's universal, but you know, obviously it's mostly for Jeeps. Considering how much you're paying for this mattress, it's a pretty cool deal, but my God, how could they overlook such details?
Pre-wrapped with a sheet, power cable and supply behind the front seat. I'll move up to right up there where that is, right there in the center. Power supply is here at the head of the bed. It's plugged into the AC adapter. It takes the air out and puts the air in a matter of seconds. This is in a Suburban, full-size Chevy Suburban, 1999. Watch this. Almost full. You hear the engine whine like that, like it is right now. It's full. Less than a minute.